Konan, did you find out where the Ninetales is?
Not yet. Leaf Ninja are more stubborn than I thought.
It seems only a few people even know where the Ninetales is.
Doesn't matter. I'll find out where the Ninetales is eventually.
All right. I leave it to you.
Naruto Uzumaki. No matter what it takes, I'll find him. For the sake of peace. The foolish shall be judged.
Mission start.
Just asking anyone at random will be a waste of time. I should focus on the Anbu. They're closest to the Hokage. The Jinchuriki is ours. We'll never lose. I will get rid of everyone who tries to stand in our way. We'll never lose. Be gone! As a messenger of God, I'll destroy this village. We'll never lose. Where's the Nine-Tailed Jinchuriki? Tell me.
Tell you? I'll destroy you.
Raise and grow! Judgment is upon you. Despair. The Jinchuriki is ours. Scatter and fall! It's impossible to stop me. I'm gonna ask you one last time. Where's the Nine-Tailed Jinchuriki?
Die!
As a messenger of God, I'll destroy this village.
Try this!
We'll never lose.
Be gone! Be gone! It can't be!
As a messenger of God, I'll destroy this village.
Try this! It can't be!
For the sake of our dream, I will be in. This is an order from God. Tell me where the Nine-Tailed Jinchuriki is.
Beats me.
Paper shower! Paper shower! I will get rid of everyone who tries to stand in our way. Paper shower! Paper shower! The Nine-Tailed Jinchuriki. He is the key to our dream. Scatter and fall! Tell me, Where's the nine-tailed Jinchuriki?
I don't know.
Try this! Try this!
It's impossible to stop me.
Try this! Try this!
We'll never lose. The nine-tailed Jinchuriki. He is the key to our dream.
Scatter and fall!
We'll never lose. The nine-tailed Jinchuriki. He is the key to our dream. The Jinchuriki is ours. There are some skilled ninja here, but that doesn't matter to me. We'll never lose.
I'm your opponent!
The Hyuga clan of the Hidden Leaf Village. Telling me where the Ninetales is will make things much easier for you.
I won't let you get Naruto!
You deserve praise for having such a strong will, but not for being a fool.
Be gone! Scatter and fall! Scatter and fall! Let you have your way! Scatter and fall! She's strong!
Don't underestimate the Akatsuki.
Are you all right, Hinata? I'll back you up.
Thank you!
Even the Akatsuki can be beaten. Here I go! I'm guessing you aren't Pain.
I'm a messenger of God. I will destroy you on behalf of God.
You won't beat me that easily. Long distance ability.
Paper dance. Allow me to demonstrate. For the sake of our dream, I will be an angel of pain.
Don't underestimate the Leaf Ninja.
Rage and glow! Be gone!
We'll never lose.
Rage and glow!
Don't think everything will go as you planned.
Scatter and fall!
The nine-tailed Jinchuriki. He is the key to our dream. Regret your weakness.
Don't underestimate the Leaf Ninja.
Rage and grow! Rage and grow! Scatter and fall!
For the sake of our dream, I will be an angel of pain.
Rage and grow!
As a messenger of God, I'll destroy this village.
Shadow stitching jutsu!
Akatsuki. Attacking her head-on won't work.
Be gone! Scatter and fall!
Don't underestimate the Leaf Ninja.
Scatter and fall!
We'll never lose. This is my power. You are no match for me. Where are you hiding the nine-tailed Jinchuriki?
None of us will tell you.
Rage and grow! Rage and grow! Judgment is upon you. Despair.
The nine-tailed Jinchuriki. He is the key to our dream.
Scatter and fall!
If you don't tell me, I'll kill you.
Don't underestimate the Anbu or the leaf.
I've already found the Anbu in this area. I should look for another target. The nine-tailed Jinchuriki. He is the key to our dream.
Be gone!
It's impossible to stop me.
Try this!
As a messenger of God, I'll destroy this village. The Jinchuriki is ours.
Be gone!
I will get rid of everyone who tries to stand in our way.
Try this!
Scatter and fall!
For the sake of our dream, I will be an angel of pain.
Try this!
But tell me, where's the nine-tailed Jinchuriki?
Even if it kills me, I won't let you know.
Rage and grow! Judgment is upon you. Despair.
We'll never lose.
Try this! Try this!
The nine-tailed Jinchuriki. He is the key to our
The
dream.
might of God. Paper Gale! Paper Gale!
The Jinchuriki is ours.
Paper Gale!
The nine-tailed Jinchuriki. He is the key to our dream. You are the last one. Now, tell me.
Mission complete.
Where's the nine-tailed Jinchuriki?
Don't underestimate Leaf Ninja. Even if you kill me, I won't tell.
Is that so? Well, I won't waste my time on you then.
Konan, retreat for now.
Did you find out where the Nine-Tails is?
Yes, the Nine-Tails is at Mount Miyaboku. No need to stay in the leaf any longer.
Right. Then we're done with our intelligence gathering.
They're retreating. What's going on?
Where's Tendo?
He remains in the leaf.
What's going on?
I'm going to use that jutsu.
No. That jutsu will shorten your life. You really mean to do this, don't you, Nagato?
Now this world shall know pain.
Almighty push!
Why are you going to such extremes?
This is my justice.
When all the chakra is concentrated on Tendo, the jutsu has a devastating effect, but it's too risky. I'll watch over your health. For now, I will head back. Nagato, don't push yourself any harder.